Hi, this is Steve from Appsplanation.com, and today we're taking a look at VLC Media Player for the iPhone. You may have run across this program before. It's been available on the PC, Mac, and I think Linux as well for quite a long time. It's an open source project, and what it is a media file player. So basically any audio or video file. The goal of VLC Media Player is to be able to basically play any file that's out there, and that is for the most part true beyond maybe a few strange proprietary formats. The significance of having it on the iPhone is that the iPhone has a closed file system, and it has some specific built-in capabilities in terms of video and audio, and if a file you want falls outside of those, it's kind of a pain in the ass to be able to get to play it directly. You usually have to sort of re-encode it into a format that the iPhone can read, and like I said, it's time-consuming, and I personally have never done it just because it's just too much work. But VLC can play basically anything natively, so no matter what the format is, there's a high percentage chance that you'll be able to just play it directly with VLC Media Player. The interface itself isn't terribly complicated. You just either link or store a file in the library and tap it, and then you just have normal audio-video controls that are pretty simple to figure out. In the upper left here, you see the little cone. If we tap on that, it's just going to pull up a bar that shows you all of the different ways you can access those video files. Media library, again, you can hook to a PC or a Mac and pull from iTunes or drag and drop files into iTunes into VLC Media Player and sync them that way, or you can download them directly to the media library from a internet address. Local network capability, so you can plug into a local network, access stuff that way. Open network stream is very cool because this will allow you to hook into live events. Sometimes sporting events and stuff will broadcast live, particularly from UDP addresses, and you can just plug that address in, fire it up, and you're good to go. You do need to be over Wi-Fi, though. I won't do it over the cell network. As mentioned before, downloads, you can just plug in an internet address and download the file directly that way. You can also do the exact opposite and turn this into basically a video server or video audio server. By tapping on Wi-Fi upload, it gives you an internet address from which you can then serve media files back to a PC or a Mac or whatever. It has support for Dropbox and Google Drive. I do personally use Dropbox a lot, so if I click on that, I've already got a link to my Dropbox account, and all the music files from my band are in there, and I can just hop in there and listen to them directly from that. And that's about it. Not real complicated, but on the iPhone, you've just never had this capability to play some of these file formats without, again, sort of reformatting them into a native iPhone format, and like I said, nobody really wants to do that. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. So check it out. It's totally free to download. If you're not using it on the PC, I highly recommend having it around as well. Once again, it's free, and it will play basically any format you want. Another great little thing that will do that not a lot of other media players will is it will play partial files. So if you've, say, downloaded 10 or 20% of a file and you're not sure exactly what it is, it will actually, it's not always successful, but sometimes you can go in and preview what's in there. And that's a great capability to have if you're downloading particularly huge video files that are 1, 2, 3 gigabytes. So